pretty high.
You better fucking play to your best. We have a lot of people watching us for
This is,
actual.
bro, this is the
for
first
real.
game. That's fucked up.
Well, that's fun. That's cool.
They didn't even give me a warm again. They just threw me in here.
You remember how to play this map. We stay in the room if we're on that one side. If not, we go outside.
Bravo
Hey, what's up, assholes?
Yeah, assholes.
All right, dude.
Okay, let's, you wanna go inside or no?
Yeah.
Turn it up.
They're not there.
Yeah, they're...
Right here. Help me out.
Oh, we got me.
I'm dead. Holy shit.
Then wait for the reset. Wait for the door.
Oh,
Wait for the door, man.
Your team was eliminated.
I didn't sound like a pro. No.
Why is the thing no?
No breaks.
That's it. No break.
Team is behind.
I know, so funny.
Alright, and then don't push the game, just wait for them to go. Wait, we have to go to the end of the way, huh?
Yeah.
Watch the sniper.
Other side. Go up. Move the fuck up.
Guardian down.
Okay, fuck this shit.
Help me out. Pedro. God damn it. He's almost dead. He's almost dead.
Nice.
Get the fuck out.
Get the ammo, get the ammo.
I don't need ammo. I got it. Fucking.
I do.
I'm using the. You guys want to meet them outside? I'm gonna fucking meet them outside.
Yeah, we have to.
Fuck this. This is annoying and boring. I'm getting team-shotted. Fuck. Revive me? Yeah, you're good. One coming up at us.
Come on, get
Right.
on.
Alright, good shit.
He's almost dead, he's almost dead.
Oh, where the fuck's Smoke at?
I don't know, in the corner. Give me a bump.
Oh, shit.
He slammed it.
Damn. No, it was one hit. It was a one-hitter. He went in there like, flat.
I'm gonna go through Ben this time.
Okay, let me just keep doing the same thing.
Team is in the lead.
Lol, she's playing with streamers. Haha, with viewers.
Sure, who cares?
Of course she is. She's a good streamer.
Out.
Damn it, he got me. Last
EB.
word pussy. Crouching like a bitch. You give me up, you give me up.
Da 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 da.
Oh, I thought Buck was gonna give me up, man.
Guardian down.
Oh, what? That shit didn't help? He's almost dead. He's almost dead. Oh, you're dead.
I didn't help, but she has the last word.
Oh, what the fuck, guys? Don't engage him in the fucking this fire.
I didn't, he was crouching on me.
Just don't go to the center then.
Nah, let's go.
The match is tied.
The sad part is we're tied.
I'm staging my Vanquisher, motherfucker. Let's go. Go, bitch! Alright,
About to
go,
go
gun.
there.
I found him. Good shit. Oh my god, Moke. Yeah, give me. You're good, you're good. Give me.
Oh, what up, Lee?
I'm alive.
He's almost dead.
Enemy team eliminated.
Hey, Moke, what gun are you using now?
I switched to the scout rifle.
Oh.
I know,
Why?
I saw that.
We don't need no breaks!
No break. Hey, we gonna rush there, or what are we doing?
I'm going inside.
Okay, I'm going there.
Go inside. You guys go inside. I'll watch the one outside.
Oh, we got me.
Fuck off.
Available.
Get that one, get that one too. There you go.
Hey, Moke, coming in the center towards you.
Man, we're
All enemies have been
damn it.
No brakes!
No brakes!
No dive.
Yeah.
No dive.
Hello!
claimed victory.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Remember,
I ain't losing on Twitch, bitch.
nah, you're on Twitch with me though.
Man, you're
I'm going gun. I'm across like a cunt.
I know, did the same thing.
Oh, they're not fighting me. Ah!
Guardian down.
Bitch.
Good shit. Ah! Holy shit! That was a fucking funny play. I don't know how he killed me though. You're good. He's trying to revive his friend. Revive us? Oh, never mind.
I can't book sticks.
Yeah, I
to
know.
fucking accident.
You have to run away. Just run. He's chasing you.
Thank you.
Yeah, another one.
Boom.
Wait for him to come to me.
Shit.
Maybe you switch to a real gun. What gun do you have?
Cyril,
Oh.
what do you think of it?
Half it. Make it half. Make it half. You can win. Oh, right there, sniping. 2 guys on the right sniping you. 1 guy in the body though. Just 1. You could probably get Moke if you can.
Alright, let's see what we got.
Still 1 guy on the body. Crouching by Moke. I don't know where the other guy's at because we can't see him. He has a
Did
shotgun
sniper-
though.
Yep, he hit.
Pachoo, pachoo, pachoo,
I've been
pachoo.
wasting your time.
They're gonna. That's the spawn though. You got 20 seconds left.
I know.
Yeah, fuck it. You have 1 more round to win. We'll win it. They all use their supers. The longer you prolong, that means they're gonna get their supers.
10 seconds. Get
Yeah,
it done.
it's fucking take them out as much as you can. Make it funny. Pull out the other churros. Just head. Oh, never mind.
You two shot me. What did you want me to do?
Oh,
Better
not
luck
that.
next time, Guardian.
Die earlier. I don't know.
Oh. Nah, fuck that. I was gonna run around like a bitch forever.
Match
Nah, I still got my
Finish
super.
them off.
I know, but I was like, oh, we're dead and we don't have theirs, but they don't have theirs, but they're getting closer to it.
If Moke was still alive instead of
Yeah,
me,
it's
when
because
I died,
of,
that would have worked
it's
out a little
because
better.
It's cause, oh, she's dead. Behind you, Moke, behind you. Me. Oh shit, grenade. Ah, thanks guys.
Spread out, spread out.
Fire!
Oh fuck, on the side behind
Oh,
you.
did not see
Oh,
him.
come
Did
on.
not see him. Come on. Well, come on. I'll fucking do that shit. Come on. Man.
Your team was eliminated.
Fuck.
Match point. It's anyone's game.
Oh, why are we going in here all of a sudden?
Well, apparently we're all going to
I was gonna go cut from the other way, that's why. Oh shit. One guy
Go,
might-
Moke.
Go gun on me. On
Oh,
me.
run away.
Yeah. He's outside though. So remember that. And it's
Think
been
so,
long
Ed?
enough. It's been long enough. I'm dead. They fucking team shot the fuck out of me. God damn it. Why are we playing so passive now? Come on. Who gives a fuck if it's from some stupid Twitch cunt? Another guy on the left. Pedro. Watch out, watch out. Watch out for that grenade. Yep, more people on the right. Watch out for the guy on the right though. He's on the left looking. He's coming up.
Game on.
Fuck it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get sniped. That's what we do it.
No took it way too seriously.
It's a shame.
We could have just played to our strengths, not play like a bitch. That's cool.
But now what?
I don't know. You want to keep playing or quit?
Up to you guys. No break.
I don't care. Either way. Hulk's mad because he lost on Twitch.
I mean, it's not like I don't know. I was using a server. I don't know. Most like try hard.
Yeah, you don't have to fucking. It don't matter. I have too much pride in a fucking. Just we don't care. Played to our strengths, we would have won. Don't need to do all this annoyingness.
Damn, looks so quiet.
Yeah. Cause he's like, no! I didn't want to lose. I didn't want to lose neither.
Don't you want to get a new card or something?
I don't know. I don't care. Up to you guys.
I don't care. I mean, it's not up to us because we don't need these runs at all.
Goodbye. You get matched up with them again.
We'll probably win. It's easy.
Wait, Milk, how is it that out of everybody in the world you get matched up with her?
So? It happens.
Don't know.
Because she has to be matched up with somebody, and it just happened to be us.
Oh, what happened?
What do you mean, what?
Oh, okay. But it looked like Eric got kicked out.
How would Aaron get kicked out? Bum, 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 bum. Okay, my Lord walking.
Alright, Milk, don't suck. No, I'm just kidding.
Nah, we all got shit.
Elimination.
Nah, I'm the best. I'll never
Alpha
lose.
team.
Should have won that
Eliminate
one,
your
guys.
opponents.
Yeah,
Team No
whatever.
Breaks would have been. We would have been famous. Team No Breaks.
Aaron, you took it way too fucking seriously. You're like,
I know, you took that left foot.
Man, who cares? Just remember, this is a game.
Guys,
Oh shit.
Whoa, that guy
Whoa, did that guy
lagged.
lag? Did that guy lag through the door?
Yeah, he's lagging.
Whoa!
He's
Revive
super
me.
lagging.
Revive me. I'm on top. I'm on top. Crouch. Wow, this guy's an idiot. Oh. Oh! Did not expect
Wow, I
that
can't
guy
push
to
my gun.
run.
What the hell? Wow. What the fuck just happened?
One of the guys is super lagging.
Your team was eliminated. Better luck next
Wouldn't let me
time.
switch guns at all.
Ugh.
Team No Breaks would have been.
Yeah, he's sad and I'm like, oh, nobody would have given a shit. They've been like, they cheated! Anybody watching like, bullshit! Icebreaker noobs, what a noob. Blinking, noob.
Because we were using like.
Oh. The sad part is we were winning.
We were
Yeah,
winning.
That's
You
why.
you should have just calmed it down. It would have been cool. Holy shit, he revived that guy? How?
No one gonna revive me?
Yeah. See how they're good the fucking icebreaker is, man?
Open the
Oh
door.
wow. Wow, it closed, he barely got me. Telling you, use this gun.
Enemy
It's
team
the best.
eliminated.
Combustion. That combustion is cheating, man. What the
No, it's
fuck?
not that. It's strong. That combustion is why you got the double cut thing, but
Well, I get. Which one did you shoot? The guy that was low health or the one that was?
it didn't matter.
Well,
They
no, I
died because they were right
I
next to each
headshot him.
other.
I headshotted the Titan, then he blew up, and he got the low health guy.
Somebody
Oh, okay.
look on our flank on the right. He turned invisible.
You didn't read. I think you. Yep. There you
Headshot, bitch.
Thorough, bitch. And I'm gonna die.
Guardian down.
All enemies have
Are you
been
sad now,
eliminated.
Mo?
Yeah, I'm really sad. Ain't
Well,
no
you
break.
could have just calmed
Why couldn't
down.
you do that?
Like if
Yeah,
you were
why
relaxed.
can't you do this shit
Because
up?
I know you were like shitting yourself when we were playing. You were like,
Team is in the lead.
Yeah, man.
No,
It's
no.
whatever.
No,
It's
no.
just another team, man. Fuck 'em.
Oh,
You're the one who said,
no,
fuck
no.
It's another team. Fuck out.
yeah, that's why I was like, she's just gonna get her
Fudge.
ass kicked. God, I'm a god.
Shoot.
No, maybe. He turned
That guy's
invisible.
invisible.
Watch out, guys. He's inside. I'm just waiting for this. Wait, why am I waiting for this? I have an icebreaker. Oh shit, shotgun.
Oh shit.
Guardian down.
What the hell did that mean?
Enemy
He
team
shotgun his guy right here.
Came out of nowhere and murdered Mo.
So sad.
Heavy
Go
ammo
message
on
her
the
and
way.
be like, you bitch.
I'm not
Oh,
like
what the
that, man.
There you were.
I'm like that. I'm dead. Holy shit, goddamn last word.
You hear it?
Heavy
No.
ammo
Oh,
available.
injured. That guy right there. Yeah, he's dead.
Ah!
Oh, what? He had health. Turn around.
Oh,
Oh,
I could have turned around.
Damn.
I got the ammo.
Ah, what the fuck? I
You
messed
missed.
up my whole. I messed that whole fucking Nova bomb.
A sad milk is a sucky milk.
Still on top, bitch. No breaks. Even if you're sad. No
The break.
breaks.
Yeah, whatever.
The team is in the lead.
Open the door, damn it.
I can do it. You missed. Oh, I thought you missed too. What the hell? When did he res?
Behind me. Oh, he revived himself. I run the
Oh, he's
punching
lagging
boy.
back.
Yeah, he is.
He's lagging back. I'm gonna get this one. Damn. Who killed him?
I don't know. I followed him over here. I don't know if you guys followed him over here, but he died over here for me. He died hella far away. I guess I got the kill. I don't know. Holy
No, no.
shit! Red bars for everybody.
Yeah, leggy motherfucker.
Match point. Finish them off.
Oh, you bitch.
Damn, I'm running that door.
We're both injured. He's gonna res him right now.
No, he ain't. Oh shit. Oh, I want to punch him.
Hey, we won.
Enemy team eliminated. Another battle won. On to the next
He's
fight.
still mad.
He should have won, but you know, shit happens.
You should have won, but whatever.
Game no breaks. We shot.
Look, so he's heartbroken now.
We could abuse.
I should change our mottos. Sucking
Team
dick
losers.
since 2014.
God. Are you heartbroken? Like, she could have been the
Wait, are you
one.
heartbroken that me and Eric were using super guns?
Where we were. Yeah. It was
Yeah,
okay.
what if we weren't? I mean, we were winning using dumb shit.
So just blame it on us.
Blame it on
Oh
us.
no.
You have the power to kick Eric out.
Yeah, kick me out.
I'm gonna kick the guy
I'm
that
surprised you
has...
got Eric to join.
Oh, it was hella
Kick out.
annoying. God.
I'm gonna
No
kick
wonder I
out the
never
guy
joined
who
the clan.
didn't join the clan.
How did that matter? I'm not in the clan.
That he means you.
Yeah.
Let's see. Glass half full.
Shadow
Hey, Pedro,
Prize,
just
come
use your, I'm telling you, use an icebreaker. You'll be like, oh, shit.
Sure, why
Use
not?
an icebreaker. It's so powerful. Holy shit, it's crazy.
Oh, here's a thorn. That's sick.
Don't matter. We played a great team for once. Still won.
Yeah. Mo was kicking ass with that Heartlight.
Kind of annoying. Stole my kill.
Look at Mo kept stealing my kills last year.
I guess that's what I get for using a slow shooting ass gun. Tick, 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 tick.
Elimination. Alpha Team. Eliminate all enemy targets.
I was tripping out on that. Why don't I have ammo?
All good. You got the one. Now you got two. 100% fine. Open door, bitches.
Open sesame.
Ready? And fire. Oh, I'm done for that. Sorry. He just aimed at my body. Oh, don't open the door. Revive me. No. There's a guy aiming. Shit. Holy shit. Meow. We're on the way.
Oh shit, he's over here.
Now he's dead. Yay.
There you go.
All enemies.
Wait, why do I need the ammo?
It's just to get. If I have it, I still do it.
No!
Or so they don't get it.
I mean, they're dead, but yeah.
I go with it. What the hell? Why don't I throw with the ammo?
Yeah, that's just how it is. Who cares?
They're waiting for me this time.
Okay, open the door, Milk. Excuse me.
Ah, it's a little bit soft.
Oh, super grenade. Last guy left. Gun him down. Hey.
Shadow Prize, bitch.
Enemy team eliminated.
Grab it! We need it! Ugh.
I bet you people are getting killed by the
Team
Shadow
is in
Prize
the
and they're
lead.
like, what the fuck? What kind of gun is that?
I don't know what it is, but it's fine.
It's old school, bitch.
Yeah, it is. You cocksucker. God damn it. Got an assist for that.
Oh shit, you got me. Where is he?
I got one.
Oh shit. Oh.
We need the ammo, we need the ammo!
All enemies
Yes,
have
got
been
it.
eliminated.
You know, go watch your stream and be like,
The ammo
no!
on the way.
Hey, the truth that they're taking out trials for
What?
now.
Why? What?
This is the last week for trials.
Whoa, ho
Oh
there.
no.
Oh, what am I doing? I'm doing it like it's a regular round.
Gallahorn. I was say Gallahorn.
Oh no, we're going to you, my friend.
Oh, I forgot I could blink. I'm not used to being a bully walker, dude.
Guardian down.
Got two.
Oh, Eric beat me to the other one.
I just ran straight through the door. Why'd you go on the
Enemy
left?
team eliminated.
I thought he would run this way. I thought Muck would get like the ammo and they would run away.
No, he usually kills them first. He usually kills most of them before we even get to him. Well, he kills a lot of them before he dies.
Point. Claim victory.
Alright. So I activated my super and I didn't. What happened?
All enemies have been eliminated. Weapons down, Guardians. This fight's over.
Yes. Icebreaker!
Go ahead, Team Icebreaker this thing.
It's just super
Team, no
strong.
breaks. Ice break. Ice break. No breaks.
I still counted the break.
Ugh. I feel like this is gonna be my loadout. Oh, wait, is the icebreaker's not coming here too, huh?
Nope.
Lame. I want to just be able to kill every boss all the time in the back, not do nothing, chilling.
Lame. Now you know why.
Nah, chilling.
I never got the Shadow Prize.
Oh, really? I got it like a billion times,
Yeah.
and I didn't know what the fuss was, and I just dismantled all of them.
Yeah, I never got it.
Yeah, I got it a few
I
times.
think I would use the Vanquisher.
Yeah, I was like, holy shit, this gun. Holy shit.
Like this loadout I have now. Yeah, that's what. Like with the unfriendly giant, I had always like in the beginning Shadow Prize, Icebreaker, and the unfriendly giant. That was my PvP loadout. It was awesome.
I didn't, because I didn't have a fucking icebreaker until they sold it.
Password. Yeah. Hey, cool, they might rush it.
So, hope so, motherfucker. Icebreaker these assholes to death.
We seem afraid. Hmm? We seem afraid. Hmm?
I don't get why I even can pick perks on the fucking icebreaker, other than the like speed and stuff like that. Like, who cares?
I always use the lightweight on it.
Yeah, it's in here.
I use a snapshot. I want to fire fast.
Lightweight, man.
Fire fast!
Get it. Get in position faster.
No, fire fast.
I get it.
But I just want to fire fast. Fire fast.
No.
Come on,
breaks.
skip it! I don't care about this. This stupid ass map. Let's go, motherfuckers. Hey! It's the older auto rifles.
Eliminate your opponents and claim victory.
Oh, they didn't rush it. That's shotgun!
I'm in
Good
the front
prop.
door.
Damn it. He ran through.
I know.
Oh! Oh, I thought it was the other one.
He shot the nigga. He's injured, by the way.
I am
Ooh,
dead.
that's what the nade would give you twice.
No, I'm not. I'm great.
The other one's right there. Punch him.
Ba,
Punch
ba, 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 ba.
him.
I
What the
lived a
hell is
lot longer than I needed
Enemy
to. Holy
team
shit.
eliminated.
I punched the shit out of everybody. That was my 2 kills, punches, nothing else.
I mean, well, they have shotguns. They could have just like shotguns.
Oh, they suck. Yep, across.
There they are.
He's injured too. Look at him.
Shot, bitch. Headshot.
Ah! Oh.
Gun him down.
We
That
just
was pretty
outshot.
funny. We just went in the fucking thing with like, eh.
And everyone was there.
All enemies
I don't even need ammo.
Dude, when you gotta reload that bank, that other gun.
42 shots, man.
I'm feeling
42
this
shots.
loadout, man. Holy shit.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
I like the loadout.
Team is in the lead.
Open door, bitches. You guys learned their lesson.
Nah, they learned their lesson.
Check the left.
We both missed.
Yeah, we did.
Let me get that nade. Oh, that was.
Oh! My bad.
Back, you changed it to me.
I changed it to everybody.
Yeah, he's
Alright,
injured, by
well.
the way. Once he picks the corner, he's dumb enough.
Hi. I'm being thorned.
Ah, ooh, some bit. Ooh, not again, not again. Ah. I'm just gonna pick up the ammo so they don't get it.
I can't have it, so can't you.
One's flanking this way.
Oh, I am dead. Bleh. I got one though. He's by my body, by the ammo on that side. Oh, he's
Double
dead.
teaming. Double teaming.
New guy.
Ah.
You gotta help him, Moke.
Oh.
Oh, there's a guy behind.
Yeah, oh, that was smart.
Your team was
Yeah, we were
eliminated.
winning.
Better luck next time.
Well, they about to teabag us? I don't know. He got to the body, but he didn't have enough time to do anything. I'll go
Hope
outside.
he's not gonna keep
Your
that.
team is in the lead.
Damn it, I can get on that thing. Oh, fuck you, behind me. Right at my body. He's coming, I don't know where he's at now. Ah, good, bitch. Shotgun can't reach that far. Oh my god. What the hell are you doing, Moke? Oh. Huh? What happened?
What happened? I got too close. He came
Ah,
towards me.
man.
Didn't have
He hit a
any close
torn.
range weapon.
Yeah. Warn me in?
Your team was eliminated.
The sad part is I would have beat him out. He had a sliver of health.
Oh, these guys think they're cool and
The
shit.
match is tied.
I got this shit. We're tied. That nigga fucking saw you, he turned the corners, man.
Damn it!
Ah,
Fucking thorn, dude! Right here by the rock. Yeah, they're safe. Coming up, they're coming by. Revive me. Sweet.
Guardian down.
Well, got me though.
Wow, that's bullshit. I should have.
I know, I
I
saw
should have
that.
got that kill. I punched him.
Fuck,
Revive
you
us.
can get-
He's coming at you guys. Right at you guys. Behind you.
Damn
Behind
it,
you,
I thought Moke
behind
would've
you,
killed
guys.
him.
Behind you,
I know, I
behind
know,
you.
I know, I know. I know, I
Keep
know.
on running. He's gonna cut you off. He's gonna cut you
Come
off.
towards you.
Oh, yep, revive. Oh, press the jump, press the jump. Oh, nobody revived me. He revived Boke instead. He's dead. Oh, what? Oh, god damn it. Two guys, right
Damn
in
it.
front of you.
Oh, I'm dead, I'm dead. They got tagged me.
What? Ah!
Oh shit! Where is he? Where is he? Who the fuck is he?
Oh, you're dead.
Behind you
Good
guys,
luck
behind
there.
you guys. On my body.
God damn it.
Oh, son of a bitch! Oh, he red.
Bullshit. That was so. Oh, man. That round lasted so long.
Oh, no. Yeah.
That was annoying. God damn it.
Alright, just for this round, because he's on a 10 kill streak, I'm killing him.
I know, what the fuck?
I switched over real
Damn
quick
it.
to the...
We keep going outside. I don't like that anymore. That's stupid.
I know, they beat us on outside. I used my super right there too.
Yeah, I did too. He's gonna super.
Heavy
What?
ammo
He hit the
available.
round way faster. Just get the ammo. Get the ammo.
Bitch.
Just get the ammo. God damn it. Oh,
Bitch.
sweet. We can win.
Enemy team eliminated.
Are you still using the icebreaker?
Ah, bitch. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it is. I heard it sound like Icebreaker.
Bitches.
I mean, he's on a 10 kill streak, but...
That guy lived forever.
yeah, all I know is that round, fucking, that was amazing. If we won that, that would have been cool. But,
Yeah, too bad they won it. Goddamn guy at the.
yeah,
I messed up my
Thorn
fucking
dick.
Nova Bomb.
Ooh.
Guardian down.
Yeah, the fucking Thorn. Only way they can beat us. Fuck, I'm fucked.
Look at my body.
What an idiot. Oh! I don't get how we always get the time to do this. I don't get how we always get the. Fuck this guy. Fucker. That guy was gonna die. He had to use the super, so I was like, I don't give a
All
fuck.
enemies have been eliminated.
No
How did
breaks,
you live through
losing
that?
today.
I don't know. I
That
think
guy
they all.
sucks so bad that
yeah,
you
I
lived
think
through
they all
that.
missed.
This is match point.
Team No Breaks ain't losing today.
That's what you said about, I guess, that streamer too.
Too serious, man.
Oh, Eric.
Not this time, bitch.
Bwah, 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 bwah. I'm burned. It's burning me alive.
Got
Yes.
him. I got him.
Oh dear.
I want him.
Where's that
Got him.
guy? One orb. I want an orb.
Enemy
I want the
team
icebreaker bullets too, see?
Targets eliminated. Congratulations, Guardian.
This gun is powerful.
Nice work.
Ah.
Can you carry them good? Can you carry them good enough?
That Kepi dude, whatever his name was, he kept going to the same spot. Like the last 3 rounds, I kept like fire on him. Stupid ass. Kepi, yeah, that was his name. Kepi, bitch ass.
Damn, Mo, you get mad quick.
No breaks.
He had shitty teammates, by the way. Like 311, 210. Holy shit.
Huh? Yeah, but we had shitty guns.
Yeah. Yeah. That's why they
But
kept
then
up
again, any
that long.
decent person with a crappy gun would do better than
No,
a bad
decent.
person. Who's decent.
No, yeah, that's true, but no, decent person. I don't think so. Because the gun, this gun is literally taking out all the skill we have. These stupid auto rifles are taking up most of the skill we can have, that we can aim, and it's just like, stupid gun. Weed man. Weeda man. That's a good one.
What's his name?
Weeda man.
Weeda Man.
666. And he has a high ass Grimoire score too. Holy shit. You proud of that name?
Super high.
Light emitting death.
Oh shit.
Hey,
He's
Mo,
up
you
there.
almost had your kind of a green mark score, and all he does is get high. What have you done with your life?
This Blaze.
I don't know, man.
Oh shit, he has a
Good blade.
he has a longbow with what do you call it?
Going around.
Yeah, but
You
it
gotta
has 5
shoot 4
shots.
shots.
Saint has a party going on, man. Holy shit, mighty.
He always has a party going on.
Damn,
Literally
man.
every time we play with him, there's always a party going on at his house. Oh, damn.
Hey, man, I'm Mexican. What do you
Yeah,
say?
I'm saying.
Elimination.
I want some food. God,
Alpha team.
I know you guys got some
Look
food
at
over there.
T-model
Every time you guys,
rifles.
fucking kicking
T-model
ass,
rifle.
taking names.
Enemy top.
We couldn't pick the streamer though.
Take me your name, bitch. Give it to someone else. I'll tell you what.
No, you assholes. Rush.
Give me a
Just
What
keep
do you
fire.
have Who the fuck is he? That's cool.
job.
We don't need to get you up. It's team auto rifle. No brakes.
There's a break in the icebreaker.
No, it's not. He just goes.
That just contradicts your freaking whole.
Yeah, God, you just ruined our name. Thanks a lot, asshole. Mr. Founder.
You really went into this.
Ow, I got shot twice. Watch out. Oh, that was kind of bull. Wait for the door to close
That's the weed.
and get me. Who threw that grenade? Oh shit, I had no bullets. I shot nothing. I was like, what the hell happened? I'm sniping like a god.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Oh, you want a sniper battle? That's not what I wanted, Mr. Wee guy.
you missed.
Oh man, I wanted to punch him.
All enemies have been eliminated.
I'm alive. I'm alive anymore.
God, God, it's not even Team Auto Rifles right now. We're just doing Team Snipers. Team Icebreakers, god damn it.
Team break.
It's Team No Break.
A tea break? You want a tea break? Alright, fine.
Other side.
I mean, I get it, but we're not
Okay.
friends. We're not. Yeah, we're not friends. We're not
Yeah,
British.
we're not friends.
Don't take-
Yeah, fuck you, Milk, we're not friends. Oh shit, god damn it. I got shot by a thorn and a sniper at once. Watch out, watch out. Sniper overhead that guy. Push me. Oh shit, not that way. Oh, I'm burning to death. Push me the wrong way. Ow, 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 ow. I'm still burning.
What a bitch.
Fire! Fucker! Oh, you
I
asshole.
won.
Damn it. I'm hunting you down, boy. I'm hunting you down. Come back. Fuck off. Yes, the last
Damn,
bullet.
chased him that far.
The last bullet. I got him with the last bullet.
Enemy team eliminated.
He was bobbing and weaving like crazy. Ugh. Yeah, he ran away far. I was like, I'm just going to go for this guy. They'll probably take care of that guy.
Wow, he could have beat you in any moment.
Yeah, he could have. He had a pretty good gun. They're here. We're fucked. Yay! Keep firing, keep firing, keep firing. Another one, another one. Ready? Hit fire. Oh.
Oh, you took that.
Oh, dear. Oh, sweet, did I? I'm awesome. I just started punching like crazy. Oh, man, these guys suck. Man, I should have known we should have just been playing the icebreakers and auto rifles the whole time. If only we were doing that like the whole time we've been playing Trials, that'd been fun. Watch out, back up.
Party in
Aw.
Oh, I had the wrong gun out. Give me your life. Oh, well, don't give any life. I'm burning. I'm dead. Give me an orb. Give me another orb.
Damn, they all just got supered right there.
That's awesome. One each got supered. Because I supered one. Supered
This fight's over.
What's today, Saturday? Ah,
No.
fuck. I have to go to work on Monday.
You don't have to. I'm not fucking working on that.
I don't, but yeah.
I ain't doing that shit. I probably work. I'd probably work on Monday if they let, but not. So whatever. I've been trying to come in for overtime. I mean, I have, but fuck, man. Last time I tried to come in, I only slept like 3 hours. I was like, I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying.
Darn.
For some reason, I've been sleeping hella hours now. For some, like, I fall asleep at like 6 to. I start work at like.
I think you're
4.
not used to it.
It's weird. I sleep the whole time to work to 4 something. 4 a.m. Yeah, like that's when I have to start getting ready for work. Fuck, 6 p.m. to 4 a.m. I was like, damn, I slept forever. Oh yeah, I requested a day off on the 15th. Maybe I'll get it, maybe I won't. If I do, then
Oh shit, I still need to buy it. I still need to buy that shit. The thing.
yeah, I'll probably buy it like later today or tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, fuck it. I'll probably take the day off too. I did. I'll be like, hey boss,
That's
I
fucking-
gotta do something. My
It's
my
important.
kid has to go to the doctor.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
I got cancer. I mean, my
Boss.
kid's dead or something. I don't know. I died in a
No,
plane
my-
accident.
I gotta help my tia. You know, I gotta help my tia. She's, you know,
It-
she's old.
I thought it's-
she needs
Oh, it's Tia or Tio, or is that both for? Is that different for grandpa and grandma, or yeah? Tio, Tia, one of those. Abuela.
What are you fighting? The Duke.
Brakes. Wreck,
Wreck
mate.
Mine.
Oh, that's a 9, so wreck M9. Wreck M9. Cool guy over here.
You don't want to fuck with that, Claire. See what these wreck people are.
I don't know.
Uh-oh.
I checked, but I don't remember what they had. I think it was like a gun or something.
Oh, that's weird.
Oh, okay. Good.
Elimination.
Oh, every time we lose at the beginning, maybe I should cut.
Bravo
I
team.
should cut up that so it just looks like we go flawless completely. I should do that.
I'm gonna cut that off.
Yeah,
I'm gonna cut
I
that
should
off.
do that.
Like, that
or,
counts.
or since we played against what's her face, maybe we should keep it. Hmm? I'm dead. Half health,
I'm
though.
dead.
Half health. What's that guy? Punch behind you. Monk, you didn't see that guy?
Oh. No,
I
didn't
thought
see it.
that's the dude that you're shooting at. That's why.
Eliminated.
Yeah, we all rested her. I died so quick. I was like right ahead of them.
You got team shots.
I got a
Yeah.
kill? Oh shit!
Yeah, you killed him with the nade.
Yeah, I threw in a grenade and
That's
you
awesome.
threw one.
Team is behind.
I threw it so
Yeah.
early on, then I died. Oh man.
Damn, I'm dying to burn over here.
I'm dead. I got two though. Oh shit, one left. Oh dear.
Oh, they're going try hard.
The team was eliminated.
I don't know.
Okay, no more running inside. Ugh.
No break.
Nah,
No
it was
break.
actually okay.
No break.
Your team is behind.
Fine, we'll just go out here. Get that icebreaker action on. Oh, damn it, that's not an icebreaker. Oh. I'm gonna go to the other side.
Behind you, behind you, behind you.
Behind me? What? Oh.
Dude,
It's always funny. Give me this! I want this! I want Oh my
Oh, I'm up
dear.
for my kill.
See him? It was a headshot, bitch.
I wanna go icebreakers all day. Here, how about run from that bitch? Oh.
Aha, I defended both of you.
Enemy team
I'm just
eliminated.
gonna let the grenade chase him. Ah. They won twice? I don't remember this. I guess we'll go outside, be cool guys.
Your team
I
is
hate when they're...
behind.
Why don't we ever camp at the spawn? Is that boring? Yeah, that's boring. I wanna just sit there like, yeah, let's just wait. Let's just wait! Oh shit! That would've been awesome if I got him up in there.
Guardian down.
Oh shit! Ah. Team shoot him.
Oh.
Oh, damn it!
To you now.
Oh shit. Oh, shit.
You gotta get both up. Give me up, give me what?
Oh! Die, bitch!
Shoot him. Oh, I got stuck.
Keep firing! My gun has hella bullets. Oh, this gun's funny. Oh, I can't believe you won that one. Shit.
Yeah, we should have lost that. Well,
The match
fucked up.
is tied.
They got supers. Don't know when they're gonna use it.
fuck was that?
They learned their lesson. They're over here. They're at the original. Hold on, well, I'm gonna shoot this grenade. Yep. Alright. I'm gonna go from the right side.
What's the flank? What's the flank?
Blankies. Blanky Doobear.
Oh shit! All three, all three. All three on flank.
Blanky Doobear! Boom, bitch!
Oh, you got two of them. Last one's right there. You're throwing into it.
Hey, what's up, bro? Oh, yeah, asshole. Man, I wanna just.
Oh, I was hoping he read.
Enemy team
I wanna do this all day. Ugh.
You guys are annoying, man. The other people that use this shit weren't even this one.
Heavy ammo on the
Yeah,
way.
I'm beating them now, so it's cool. I'm going inside the room. I'm a room guy. Oh, ran into the wall. Ah, damn it, I missed everything. They're right there. Try to keep them busy.
Can't get it.
That's cool.
Never mind.
That's
That worked out.
awesome.
That worked out.
All right.
Guardian down.
Ah, he's
Okay.
low health. Fuck, I missed. He's in the middle. He's in the middle.
Ah, Mo, come back. Mo, you're a horrible call.
Whoa.
That was
Damn
in
it.
the middle. That was in the fucking middle. Why is that a horrible call?
That sucked.
Horrible call,
Maybe
man.
you should
You could have told us
turn
he was
down
right
that
there by the
house
flag.
party.
Hey, man, you could have said he was by the flag. That would have been a better call out.
Well, just middle. That means probably he's gonna fire a fucking rocket.
They're gonna stay in the little, yeah, they're right here. Open the door. I'm gonna check on the right side. Or left, whatever side. Open the door, assholes! Oh, they're gonna jump through this way?
Man, that ain't gonna open the door.
Here, I'm gonna peek. A little peeking about. Oh, come on. You guys gonna play this game? Whatever, we'll just wait it out. I don't give a shit. Alright, that was a bad idea. Oh, you got him. What? What? Oh,
Ah, they traded.
we're in the room. Yeah, they traded. They're looking at our bodies. Oh, revived. Shit.
Oh, no, right there. Fuck. Yeah.
Man, I don't want to play. This is annoying. Just Nova Ball them when if they. Oh shit! Damn it! I think that's your dead. Yeah. Man, they're just gonna do that? That's
Your
cool.
team was
Oh,
eliminated.
terrible.
Better luck next time.
That is red, right?
Almost won.
I don't know. I think so. Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Man, better see some kids.
I'm gonna go get you.
Last guard.
Oh, I have to get you.
Revive your team.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Time to run.
Golden gun, golden gun.
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
No, you're not. Alright, for some reason I couldn't run. He's going. Dude, run. Run away. He's gonna angle to kill you. Ah, perfect. Alright, get me.
Shot. Around the corner. One guy's around the corner on the left.
He shot the super, he shot the super. Oh shit.
Oh yeah?
All that remains.
He shot the super.
Okay.
I got both of them, I got both of them. Can you give me? I don't know what to do here.
I ran like a bitch.
I'm dead, alright.
No, that's
Keep
cool.
trying.
Team shot, bro. Oh, I got sniped though. Shit, duck. Oh, good shit.
The enemy
Oh shit, revive me.
Fuck, I don't
Yeah,
have ammo.
I'm right next to you, I'm right next
Fuck,
to
I
you.
don't have ammo.
I'm right next to you. Can you be revived? I'm
I can't.
oh.
Nope. Nope. I'm dead.
Oh, damn.
I didn't have
My
any
bad.
ammo left.
Yeah, that sucks. It's because you just got revived.
I know. It sucks.
I guess that's the only drawback.
Run away. Run away.
It wouldn't have mattered. You just would have taken guns. Aww.
No, we lost.
With auto rifle.
Yeah, we still lost. Oh, you guys just did not do great. I thought everybody was sucking ass. I guess. I still.
Ammo?
God, they can like assholes though. Fucking fags.
It's all good. You guys want to go again? Or you get done for the night.
Yeah, I don't care. I'll keep playing.
And take us to the whatever.
Then why did we like stop after the fucking first loss and by the?
Do you not want to play? You don't have to play.
Yeah, I thought we were playing.
God, why do you give a shit that we lose so much, bro? Just fucking don't give a shit. Every week, if we lose once or twice, it's like, oh, fuck you guys. I hate you guys.
I know, man. And look, we're just using shitty guns.
Yeah, I don't get why you don't put that into account too.
Hell, we should
You're
win.
too proud and dumb for that. You're dumb. You're dumb. You're too proud. You're fucking using auto rifles before the patch.
I mean, if you want us to use the hand cannons, we would.
We would have won.
I thought this just fucking around.
No.
Most mad at that. Okay, you mad at us. Well,
He's
fuck
mad
you
at
too.
I
who's this?
am.
Who's that stream person again?
Miss Watts 5000.
Yeah, mad at her. Dumb bitch.
No, no, no.
He's so mad from that.
I'd be mad.
Yeah, I'm a bit salty about that one.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, you're salty for
Hey,
like
here,
2
here.
matches.
If you want, I'll just use pure pulse rifles.
No, auto rifles is so fun. It gives the challenge. It brings the fucking challenge. That, well, cause this is why. Cause I know if we win, you'll be like, Easy win.
No challenge.
Yeah, but
This is the challenge. Expect to lose.
no, no, I'm way too competitive for that shit. I always want to win, even if I like only use a stick and a stone, I still want to win.
What the fuck? My stick doesn't reach that far.
Yup.
That's
Basically.
bullshit. They gotta patch this
Even
stick.
if-
They gotta buff this stick,
With
bro.
emotion.
Oh man. Oh man. You start crying like, no!